Alright guys, so for today's lesson I want to show you how to play some simple worship songs. Okay, you start improvising some simple worship songs. Okay, so I want you to do one thing for me. Write on the comment section there. Very good, very nice, awesome video. Okay, smash the like button. Share it also so that others can benefit from the video if it sounds interesting. Okay, so I want to play this song. Light of the world, you should stand into darkness. Open my eyes, let me see beauty that makes our Lord. Oh, for the light is me. So here I am to worship, here I am to bow. Okay, guys, so I believe many of you know the song. Okay, here I am to worship, here I am to bow down, here I am to say that you are my God. I believe most of you might know the song. You can Google it on the Chrome. Okay, you see the lyrics there. Okay, you can start practicing. So what I'm playing there is I'm playing on the key of D. Okay, this is the key of D. Okay. Okay, now I showed you the source chord in my previous lesson. How to hold your source chord. Okay, this is your normal major chord. Okay, so do, so do, mi. Okay, that is your major chord, your do. Okay, but I likely play the source way. Okay, likely play the source way. So the chord progression is one, so that is the 4 chord. I'm playing a bar chord. That is your A major. I'm playing an A major bar chord. Then I play my D minor. Sorry, my E minor. That is a Re chord. Okay, Re la, Re la. Re la, re, la. Okay, that is the E minor chord. That is the E minor chord. Okay. Play the so va. Now I'm playing the G major chord, the G major bar chord. That is your va chord from the root. Okay, so I play the La chord there. Okay, that is a B minor. Play the B minor. That is a La in the key of D there. Okay, that is La in the key of D. La. Okay, so the first chord is a light of the world. I go to the song. You step down, ray into darkness. Oh, okay. Open my eyes. So va. This time around, I go to the va, the G major. Okay. Okay, now I come back again. Beauty that made is a red, red, and though falling like the despair. So when you get to the 4 chord again, you hold on there, then you start from there. So here I am to go, here I am to soar, here I am to laugh. You my God, so all together, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, all together, wonderful to me. Okay. Okay, so I now play that ending part that says, I never know how much it costs, okay, to see my sin upon the cross. Okay, so playing there, I'm playing there from the and go to your saw. Okay, your A bar chord, your saw. And never know do how much you go to your God do to see my sin do upon do. Okay, so that is a simple worship song you can start learning as a beginner, that to improve your playing skill. Okay, so if you don't know how to hold those bar chord, I made a video on how to hold bar chord in some of my previous videos. You can go through my videos, you'll see it. Okay, or just hit on the comment section. I will send the link to you, okay, where you can watch it on how to create and how to hold your full bar chord. Okay, so this for the strumming pattern. This is the strumming pattern. I strum it like this. From the first and the